Hello everyone, good morning. Today we received a coding challenge from someone, and he was asking someone was saying actually he has received a coding challenge on Turing, so he was not able uh, to write the code for it and asked me to help mm, to that guy. So I thought I can make a video on it, maybe in future if someone face this issue or maybe someone get a coding challenge like this, so he can easily understand the reason and problem and implement it. Okay, so the challenge is an integer is called a perfect if all digits in it are valid factor of the given integer in Java. Okay, for example, if we have an integer you can say, let's suppose 2. So it is called the perfect integer because it is divisible by 2 and so on. Let's suppose 11. It's also a perfect integer because it is divisible by 1 and 1 because it has two digits in it, 1, 1. So it is called perfect integer because it's divisible by 1, 1. And let's suppose 13. So 13 is not a perfect digit. Why? Because it has 1 and 3 digits in it, and it is a divisible by 1, but it's not a divisible by 3. Like this 15, and it's also a perfect integer, perfect digit because it has 1 and 5 digits in it, and it's divisible by all. Okay. So this is the whole logic, understanding about this problem. So let's go to our Java code and think about it, how we can resolve it. So let me create a class with the name of test2, something like that. So I will say, I will create main class, then I will create some public static boolean is perfect perfect digit. It will accept some integer value input and will return some value. Okay, so now I'm going to write this step. I'm going to write the pseudocode. Okay, first of all, what we need to do, we have to parse our have to parse integer to string, then create characters. Next step, get int value for given car. Okay, characters. Divide original divide original number by int value of character. Okay, if divisible, it means it is perfect, otherwise no. So this is the whole logic. Now I will implement step by step. So I will say string dot I think I can use integer dot string to string input. I will say str number, then str number to chars array. I will say okay. I created the sorry. I created the character arrays. Next up, get uh, I will iterate the array for I chars dot length. So char I I will introduce one character. So I will say character dot get numeric value on char. So I will get a numeric value of it. Then if what I will say numeric value is sorry, my bad. I was doing a little wrong. Input numeric value is not equal to 0. Okay, I am going to create a one boolean is perfect digit. I will say true, and if it's not visible, it means no. Sorry, I have dropped my headphones. So if it is not visible, it means it is not a perfect. So I will say is perfect digit false. So from here, I will return is perfect digit. So I will say shout is for testing purpose. 15 are perfect digit. I will say is perfect digit 15. So let's run this code. Okay, guys, we are back. So you can see it is saying is 15 a perfect digit? True. But here for now, this is not the complete solution of our requirement. The requirement is like find the find the perfect numbers between 2 to 22. This was the requirement. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to create one more method. We say public static string get perfect between. Okay, so it gives int first number and int last number. But constraint, I'm not adding the validation, but constraint is x is always less than y. And what I will do for I is always equal to x and less than equal to y, and I is I plus plus. Okay, so I'm going to create string builder, string builder is equal to new string builder. Okay, so if is perfect digit I, so what I will do, I will insert into string builder dot append I. One more condition to make it a more polished, you can say. If I less than y, string builder dot append comma, return string builder dot to string. So I am going to test here get perfect to 22, let's suppose. So let's run it. We'll see if we are getting our expected result and not what it says. It was facing some error. Says divisible by 0. Okay. Actually, we have to add one more check. Numeric value is not equal to 0 and so we got it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 11, 12. Everyone is a perfect digit because it's divisible by all internal digits. But 13 is not, 14 is not. For 13 and 14, it's empty. And then 15, it's fine because 15 is divisible by 1 by 15. Okay, great. And 2 is fine because it's also divisible by 2 and 0. And 22 as well. But for this one, it's like a little debatable because it's not divisible by 2. So maybe we can't exclude it. To exclusion it, we have to tweak our this logic. But for now, I'm leaving it. It's a very simple. We can. Yeah. So guys, we are near to end our near to the completion of this challenge. If you have any suggestion, you are always welcome. If you have any coding challenge, please paste in the comments. I will create a video for that. So thanks for your time.